Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Plug in if below 20% and unlock the phone. Once done, open Settings and tap Battery. This gives you the controls that directly limit screen time. Make sure to turn off any power saver or super power saving modes because they throttle display and background use. You do this now to prevent automatic timeouts. Next, set performance to balanced or high so the system allows longer screen-on behavior without aggressive app killing. Once you've set performance mode, go to display and change sleep or screen timeout to a longer interval, like 10 or 30 minutes depending on need. Then open App Battery Manager. Find the apps you need on screen and choose Allow Background Activity so the system won't shut them down. Also, make sure auto brightness is tuned. If you want long screen time, reduce maximum brightness because higher brightness makes the battery die faster, and that defeats the purpose. To finish, test the changes. Run your target app for 30 to 60 minutes and watch battery drain and device temperature. If the screen still times out, go back and disable adaptive battery or battery optimization for that app, then restart the phone to apply changes. If problems persist, lower the display refresh rate, reduce brightness, or use a portable charger to extend usable time. These adjustments help because they reduce power.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.